Hi, I'm Aditya Menon, and I'm here to talk to you about my DHI hair transplant journey. I have been in the industry for almost 20 plus years now. When I wanted to do the hair transplant, the first thing I had to look for was who could I rely on. The little research that I did online, which I love doing, I get onto the internet and try to search a lot. DHI is the only brand in India which has got a certification called NABH, which is the National Accreditation Board for Hospitals. And they have certified DHI as someone who is maintaining the highest standards in terms of safety. So all of this added together and I said, okay, DHI is what it's got to be. And I got into surgery. You may have even seen during the procedure, there was a small video I made talking from when the implantation was going on. So I actually felt nothing, neither during the extraction nor during the implantation. So that was a great plus. So I'm actually speaking in the middle of the procedure to show you how actual simple it is. I can hardly feel anything because I'm anesthetized well. They knew exactly how to extract without leaving a scar from the donor area and implant it into the scalp. It was almost like an art form. The doctors are like really magnificent. The healing was much faster because you didn't have any cuts. The recovery was almost instantaneous. I went back home, I felt no pain whatsoever. I was doing my regular work, and these doctors have to be like artists, making sure that the hair follicle comes out in the right direction. I would highly recommend DHI because of my own personal experiences with DHI. They have done an excellent job, and look at the results now.